YouTube, what's good? It's your boy KINGSLEDGE. You already know my channel, SHOTTOHEAD. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today I've got yet another unboxing, and without further ado, let's get into it. It's gonna be the Jordan 1 Mid SE Pine Green Black and Sail. Right there, size 10, you see it. Alright. I already have the Jordan 1 High Black and Pine Green, but when I saw these, these are clean, so I decided to cap these as well. I think I capped it off of Nordstrom. I capped it off of Nordstrom, and they delivered it a while back. There you go. Okay, so there you go. Very decent shoe. Okay, black, white, pine green, your basic Jordan 1 SE. Bottoms are green, toe box area is white, tumbled leather, very soft and buttery. Around it's the pine green colorway, black swoosh right here, white panel, and then the bottoms are just white. Going to the back side, white over there, black, green over there, and then white on the top. On the tongue is black. You know, I like the fact that the tongue area going from where the toe box ends upwards is black, so it kind of synchronizes very well with the black laces. Had it been white, it would have looked good as well, just like here. It would have looked very decent, but I feel like they did very well with this shoe. And if you don't own the high top pine greens, this is gonna do just as much. You know what I mean? All right, without further ado, stay tuned for the on-feet action. Go check out some of my other videos if you haven't done so already, and subscribe, click the bell icon, and I'll see you next. Peace.
One time for my people putting work, 2 times for my people in the dirt, 3 times for my people in the pen. Welcome to the gutter, living in the life of sin. 1 time for my people putting work, 2 times for my people in the dirt, 3 times for my people in the pen. Welcome to the gutter, living in the life of sin. You got 1 life to live, 2 loaded clips, 3 strikes you give them before life in the pen. I got them all bumping sin, turn boys into men. You got a choice, so make the right one before your life ends. Too many of my good homies died. I'm surprised I'm alive, I was born to survive. I ain't nothing but a ghetto boy living thug life. I do the math and add it up and tell me I ain't right, huh? In my gutter they all feel me, speaking nothing but the truth. Lord, please don't let them kill me. Looking clean, but I'm filthy, trying to turn a back shack to a 5-story building. Team saying, homie, dream big. If I say I'm gonna do it, just know I mean it. I ain't stopping till I'm right. Till my people out the gutter and my family good for life, huh? 1 time for my people putting work, 2 times for my people in the dirt, 3 times for my people in the pen. Welcome to the gutter, living in the life of sin. 1 time for my people putting work, 2 times for my people in the dirt, 3 times for my people in the pen. Welcome to the gutter, living in the life of sin. Where I'm from, you can die any day. Light another candle by your head and let's pray. Lord, please guide me through the valley of death. I'm losing my breath, I can't take another step. I'm getting close to the edge, hope you don't push me. I fuck around with killers while you go and chase pussy. I keep my mind right and I'm sticking to the plan, cause you in your life will never see 100 grand. I hope you understand gutter. When I say gutter, ghetto boys sin, stay gutter, motherfucker. All up in these streets, cutting corners, burning rubber. I came from my mother, but I died for my brothers. Look, I ain't Pac, I ain't big, but I would die for whoever's round with me. Look, if you want me, come get me. I'm talking to the haters in the motherfucking 50s. 1 time for my people putting work, 2 times for my people in the dirt, 3 times for my people in the pen. Welcome to the gutter, living in the life of sin. 1 time for my people putting work, 2 times for my people in the dirt. 3 times for my people in the pen. Welcome to the gutter, living in the life of sin. 1 time for my people putting work. 2 times for my people in the dirt. 3 times for my people in the pen. Welcome to the gutter, living in the life of sin. 1 time.